Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with a very exciting video. So as you can see, I have a box here right beside me, and today we are doing my Grove Collaborative cleaning supplies unboxing for the month of March. So I do get stuff from Grove probably every other month. Sometimes I'll get it every month, but mainly every other month. And I didn't get it for February, so I got some stuff in March. I ordered a lot of their like spring scents, the new ones. So I'm really excited to get in here and smell some of these scents. I'm just getting over being sick, so I'm just now starting to be able to like smell things again. So I'm super excited to open this, and my dogs are going crazy in the background. Give me 1 second. Alright, hopefully they calm down now. So before I start, I do want to say I did change my hair. I went more red. I just did this yesterday. Well, you guys are seeing this video on Thursday, so I did this on Monday. I'm filming this on Tuesday. But yeah, let me know what you think. I really like it. But yeah, we're just going to get right into this. I didn't order a huge amount, but like I said, I did get a lot of the spring scents, and then I got a few other things as well. Excuse me, sorry. Alright, so starting out, I have only tried cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I've never tried any of their other products besides the dryer balls, but recently they came out with some teas, and I am a huge tea addict, so I decided to try some of their the Grove organic teas. So I got an organic Earl Grey, and it has 15 pyramid tea sachets, it says. And you just brew it steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on desired strength. So I got Earl Grey. I forget how, I did something, I shared a link or something through my Facebook, and then I was able to get a free box. Oh, okay. It's just little like tea bags. It smells really good. But I got a free box of tea, so I got the Earl Grey, and then I also decided to purchase myself the English breakfast tea as well, and I think for 15 tea bags, it's like, I want to say it's $6.99, but I'm not sure. I'll leave the link to each of the products in the description box down below, as well as my Grove link that I have. If you use that link and you sign up and you are a first time ordering from them, if you spend $20, you get a free, a free multi-surface spray, a free dish soap, and a free hand soap as well. And I feel like you get sponges as well. I'll leave a picture somewhere on the screen now of what you get for free. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. Pretty much all the products on there are plant-based, natural, and like ingredient products, and I love like all the cleaning supplies that I've tried from them. But I'm excited to try the teas. They smelled really good when I opened the box. Alright, so now I got 2 multi-surface sprays. I got the Lilac multi-surface spray, and this is one of their limited edition spring scents. And then I also got a multi-surface spray in the mint scent, which is also another limited edition scent. I'm just going to show you all that I got, and then I'll smell them for you. And the last thing I got in it all, I got the peony scent, but I got it in the dish soap. I needed a dish soap, and I just decided to try this one, and if I decide that I like these other two scents, if I decide I like the other two scents, I will go back and order these in the dish soap as well. But that's all the products I ordered, but I'm going to smell these 3 and let you know what I think of them. I didn't order a lot of things because I was sick a lot recently, so I haven't gone through a lot of my cleaning supplies between the last like 2 months. I mean, I've used them, but I've not gone through a huge extensive amount because I haven't been deeply cleaning like I normally do. Alright, so let's smell the peony one first. Ooh, it smells really nice. It's not too strong of a scent. It's a very light, like floral scent, but it's still very, very nice. I think I'm going to really enjoy that. Right now I'm trying to get through some of my winter scents, but I might skip ahead and use this to brighten up my kitchen to get some spring in there. Excuse me, sorry. Alright, now we're going to try the lilac scent. That's interesting. It's definitely a stronger scent. It's not like a sweet floral scent. It's still very nice and a very, very nice scent. I don't know. I smell more lavender from it. It reminds me more of like wildflowers instead of like, I don't know, the like plants you see at like the store. I can't describe it, but this is a very, very nice scent as well. I think over the 2 floral scents, I prefer the peony, but the lilac is still very nice. Now we're going to smell mint. Now, what is it? The Method window cleaner, or no, it's the glass cleaner, sorry, of the Method glass cleaner is in a mint scent, and it's my favorite scent from Method probably. Like, I absolutely love that scent. Like, I love it so much. I have like 2 backup bottles plus a gigantic bottle, and it's the only glass cleaner I use. It's my favorite scent in the whole world from Method. Like, out of all of their cleaning scents, that's my favorite. So I'm going to compare it to that scent, and we'll see how close to mint it is. What? I don't get mint from this. If I picture mint, I smell like, I don't picture like toothpaste, but I smell like a minty like herb plant. This kind of doesn't smell like anything to me. I might have to use this to like really get the scent, but it's a very light scent, but I don't know, I just get like a light, clean, airy scent. I don't know, I'm gonna have to use that one to see how I feel. I love the packaging on all of these. Like, this has little mint leaves on it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use this one and let you know what I think of it. But yeah, I will leave all the links to these products down in the description box down below. If you guys have tried any of the spring scents, let me know what your favorite is. And I personally think the peony is probably my favorite. I'm really liking that scent, like just smelling them. What is this hair doing? Alright, but I think that's it for today's video. Sorry it's a bit shorter of a haul, but I love sharing these cleaning products with you guys, and I thought you might like seeing them. I know you all enjoyed my last video. I'll leave a little iCard somewhere in the video of my January Grove cleaning products haul. And I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. My grandma just sneezed. Sorry about that. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.